Still works. Hey YouTube, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Glad you guys came back for some more videos. So this is the start of my new series. This is an RC series here. So all of my collection, all my RC cars are pretty much all broke or all got major weaknesses. Like every time I take one out, it breaks immediately. I've tried to make several videos, RC videos in the past couple weeks, and every time I take one out, like I don't even get enough footage to make a video. The car's broken like right away. So in this series, some of these I'm going to be selling, but in this series, all the cars and trucks that I plan to keep, I'm going to test and tune and repair. So I'm basically going to try them out, find out if there's any weaknesses, fix them up, make them in as tough a condition as possible, and then do a test drive on them. And make a video about each car. So every test, tune, and repair video is going to be about one car. So this video is about the Traxxas Max. I've done a lot of upgrades to it, as you guys have seen in past videos, but it's been having some issues with the steering and issues with the ESC, and it's just acting funny. So I've got it going, it's ready to run, it's got a battery in it. So the first thing we're going to do is take it out here and drive it, see if it has any weaknesses, see if it breaks, and then fix everything that's wrong with it to make it as tough as we possibly can. I also wanted to show you guys something else too, so let me flip you around here real quick and show you something, and then we're going to get busy testing this thing. If it breaks or if anything happens to it, then we're going to bring it in, order the parts or whatever, get it fixed up, and then test it again. I want to get each one of my trucks and cars in as tough of condition as possible so it can handle abuse, so I can make good videos without stuff breaking every time I take it out. So here, let me flip you around and show you something real quick. So there's what I wanted to show you guys. We're going to be using those for the testing. That's my new ramps that I built, and I built one just as a wedge with no curve, and the other one, it has a curve, so it's going to launch better. And you can use them in two different ways. The wedge one can be a landing ramp, and the other one could be the launch ramp, or you can use them individually, or you can use them where the wedge is the launch ramp and the curve is the landing. But most of the time I'll probably be using them individually or the wedge as the landing. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. I built those, and I didn't do a vlog about it or nothing. I just built them, so I have them. We're going to be using those ramps in the testing process here out front or at a park or wherever we go. So anyway, guys, this is that was my ramps, and here's my Traxxas Max. It's a wide Max. I've got the wide kit on it. It can run 6S, but I'm not going to put a 6S in it for testing. I'm mostly going to be running it on 4S because 6S is just too much. But I've already got the 4S battery in there, and I've got the ramps as I just showed you guys. So let's get out here and test this thing and see if it is tough and it's ready to go, or if it needs upgrades and more parts to make it in better condition. So here we go. Let's go test this thing. All right, guys, just a quick recap here to show you guys where we are. This is the 4S LiPo I got in there, and then it's got the Hobbywing Max 8 combo system in it. So you guys know where we're going. We're testing and tuning and repairing and upgrading this thing. We're going to try to make it as tough as possible. So here we go. We're going to start with the testing now. I got my wedge ramp over there. Brakes all seem to be working good. Plenty of throttle. Wheelies pretty much anytime you want. Seems to be pretty good, guys. Try to hit this little jump right here and see what we got. See how tough it is. Ooh. Well, the body don't like to stay on for some reason. pretty darn good, guys. I mean, I haven't really tested it hard like a skate park or nothing, but if you go to a skate park, you break everything for sure. It's definitely not going to put up with that. It's not the greatest ramp in the world, but it works. This is one of my smaller trucks. That ramp was kind of built for bigger stuff. But still works. Ooh. Oh yeah. Plenty fast. That's only on 4S and it can handle 6S, guys. I don't know though. 6S will probably rip this thing to shreds. Let's hit this jump a couple more times and then we're gonna get some GoPro shots. It's handling it. I like it, guys. Woohoo! Yeah, it likes it. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. I like it so far. It's good and tough. Ooh, backflip. That was a good test. It's still going after that and nothing broke. It's pretty strong. Steering is still good. Nothing broke. Still driving. Good to go, guys. Ooh, ooh. All right, guys, seems to be doing pretty good. Let's get a couple GoPro shots on here to add to this video and then take it back in and look it over and probably call it good on this one. We'll move on to another car. Here we go, roll some of them GoPro shots. All right, guys, I think that's a pretty good durability test. It's held up. So now let's take it inside and look it over and see how it looks, see if anything's broken. All right, guys, so I guess that's gonna be the end of that video. So nothing broke. We're gonna look it over here in just a second. It seems to be all good. The only thing I've noticed is the tires have got quite a bit of wear on them. You know, you get going too fast, they're probably gonna blow out. What I really want is the Proline belteds, but I've bought a couple of different sets and they don't work. They rub. So I've got to find the right ones, but I'll do it eventually. Once these tires go bad, I'll find the right Proline belted tires for it. Anyway, let's flip you around and have a look at it. All right, guys, so nothing broke. We gave it a good run. It's all working and ready to go to make videos. Steering's working. The tires got a few bad parts going on them. We'll have to replace those. I got to try to find the right Proline belted tires for it here soon. But yeah, it's all working great. It's ready to make some videos, and I jumped it a few times and got some GoPro footage for you guys, as you saw. And the truck's all good, all ready to go. I got it all repaired up. So there'll be some more videos coming on this truck, and I'm definitely keeping it. I'm not gonna sell this one. All right, guys, that's the end of the video for the Traxxas Max, the Wide Max. I've got the wide kit installed on it. You guys seen all that before. But yeah, that's gonna do it. That's gonna be the end of the video. And if anything would have broke, or if I would have noticed any weaknesses with the truck, then we would have brought it back in, upgraded it, repaired it, and done another test. But since it passed the short bashing test, I believe it's ready to make some videos, and hopefully it don't break on me as easy no more. And we'll move on to another truck now. Probably gonna I might do the Creighton build or my eRevo 2.0 next. But that's gonna do it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave me a like and leave me a comment down in the description. So I'm basically, since all my trucks are in bad condition right now, I'm basically gonna do this for every one of my trucks. I'm gonna sell some of them. I'm planning. You guys check my eBay store, K.A. Hale Jr. Or OfferUp. That's probably where I'm gonna put them listed for sale. And some of the stuff's gonna get sold because I'm needing money, but most of it's gonna get kept. Like this one is definitely getting kept. But yeah, so that's gonna do it. You guys leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Many more repair and upgrade videos to come. eRevo or Creighton 12S probably next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys.